I'm back to all you lovely people, and we're doing another quickie on clearing the life stream this time. So we've cleared the light stream before, but this one's slightly different. So set your intention to receive the benefits. Once again, this is another quickie to keep you going in between the bigger clearings, even though they're still small clearings. So looking at the light, oh, get it right, Caroline, life stream, L-I-F-E, life stream. What's it running at? 0 positive, 100 negative, yeah. And in terms of consciousness, looking at Holy Spirit status, so let's just do a clearing. Let's get the God team there and your high self teams to clear your life stream for you. So the life stream is from spirit, which flows through the embryo. So, which flows through the embryo, divine plan, spiritual realms, and into the physical expression. So all of the elements, factors, and experiences of the life stream need to be cleared and harmonized for complete resonance of the soul with spirit. This stream was shown as sparkles, indicating the countless particles that are involved in the makeup of this stream, most of which involved the education of the soul in the Garden of Eden before it became physical. So that's taken direct from Robert Detzler and his books. The Freedom Path, Soul Recreation, Spiritual Healing, Robert E. Detzler. You can get those, particularly in the States. I think you can probably get them. So just to give you the difference between the light stream and the life stream. So the light stream is the knowledge gained through the physical experiences and between incarnations, when the soul returns to the spiritual realms to assimilate and harmonize what was experienced in the physical. And the light stream rises from the lowest level on chart 3 to the Godhead and beyond, to be, live life. And it's around here, be, live life is there, so it's quite high up in terms of elevation. And the light stream contains all of the experiences and knowledge the soul gained before it incarnated, during physical life, and as it returns to spirit. So it contains all the information before it incarnated, during physical life, and as it returns to spirit. That's the light stream. But this is the life stream which is from spirit, which flows through the embryo, divine plan, spiritual realms, and into physical expression. So it's slightly different. Right, okay, is there anything that needs to be cleared on the live stream for anybody? No, can we just do a quick mop-up? So a very, very quick mop-up. Not that we need to do a mop-up really, but a very, very quick mop-up there. Okay, done? Yeah. And what are we looking at now? It's loads lighter, I have to say. 100 positive, 0 negative, so a real quickie. Okay, and where are we looking? Great, wonderful. So there we go, another quickie for you, just to help you get through the day, really. And come back to this whenever you need, whenever you feel something's amiss. And if you feel drawn to it, come back to it as often as you wish. Have a lovely day. Bye.